Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company K5 Capital Group. They're looking for a bookkeeper for sales executive. It pays up to $250,000 a year. K5 Capital Group is a direct financing, brokerage financing, and tax credit consulting firm. We help small to mid-market sized businesses navigate the complexities of the financing and tax addendum arena to help them grow and expand. K5 has consulted on over $50 million of tax credits and has accounted for over $300 million in financing towards small to medium-sized businesses. Due to extraordinary growth, we are looking to expand our successful sales team from 25 people to 50 over the next few months. Our sales executives work directly for the CEO and alongside other team members to consult with owners of small to medium-sized business and offer them K5S services. Lead generation is done for you, and your efforts will be a mix of cold and warm outreach. Work can be done remotely. With training, K5 Capital Group takes pride in its extremely detailed training process. We are one of the few companies in the entire country who is willing to devote one-on-one attention to reps to help their development in tackling real-world sales objections to close the deal. There will be a 3-step training process over the course of a week where you will be presented with the information and knowledge that you will need to succeed. We will have at least one training meeting every single day to assist in constant development and communication. The top 10% of our top sales folks are on track to earn $250K this year, and more than 50% will earn greater than $100K. We look for people who are looking to develop their sales skills, increase their financial well-being, and become the masters of their own potential. Are self-motivated, persistent, and comfortable with failure being a part of growth and learning. Love to get involved with projects, clubs, organizations, and community. Are driven, entrepreneurial, self-motivated, great at building relationships, and goal-oriented, and dedicated to personal and professional success. Outgoing, positive, and enthusiastic individuals who have a desire to help others. Individuals who are very serious about their personal and professional growth and want to get out there and be their best authentic self. A background or degree in a business-related field is preferred. Prior commission-based sales experience a plus but not essential. Our pay and ongoing representative development are what separates us from other internships. We have college students who are currently making over $20,000 per month. We offer very large commission pay and bonus pay, possibilities for long-term growth across the company as we continue to grow. Here at K5 Capital Group, we have the resources and the growth opportunities you need to succeed. You will get out of this opportunity what you put in. Job type, full-time, pay $75,000 to $250,000 per year. Schedule, Monday to Friday. Supplemental pay types, bonus pay, commission pay. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.